This is Austin Hirschberger doing the Module 15 5 New Technology tutorials. The first technology that I chose is Twitter. I chose Twitter because it is web-based, it is not device-specific, it can be used on any browser, and it is absolutely free. Just with a Twitter account. This is my Twitter account that I had created at a previous position in another district. The intended audience for this is coworkers, other professionals, and the purpose behind Twitter is to gain resources as far as lesson plans, content-specific resources for your classroom, networking opportunities with other teachers from around the world. Twitter can be accessed by just going to twitter.com. This is the home page after you have created an account or logged in if you already have an account. On the home screen here, you'll have, this is your feed that will have tweets and retweets from other people. Tweets will show up from people who you follow, and retweets will show up from people who you follow who retweet something that was posted by someone who they follow. So in other words, you can kind of branch out by following people who follow other people and kind of build your network that way. So there's just some different, looks like some different resources here on my home screen. One way that I've used in the past, I'm going to show you some of the people who I follow. I've used this one specifically for PE resources. Here's some different physical educators from around the nation, around the world, around the state, who I follow, just to see some of their thoughts and ideas and things that work for them. So if I go up here to Ben Landers, he's a pretty well-known PE teacher, and click on him, he's going to have some different videos, ideas, activities, games, things that he's done in his classroom that I can use in my classroom. Sometimes, if you're lucky, somebody will post a free lesson plan that you just click on and download it. So here's some different things that he's done. This is one that, if I click on this, that I will be doing in my classroom, and I got that idea from him. And I can access that by going to this link right here, which will have a little bit more information about it. So that's just one way that it can be used. Another PE teacher, let's go to let's click on Mike Graham. He's another well-known PE teacher. And again, if you scroll through his feed, he's just going to have some different resources for a PE classroom. And usually if you look hard enough, you can find some really, really good stuff on there. Again, completely free. So if you take a chance to just scroll through Twitter, kind of just get used to finding people who to follow. One way you can do that, I'm going to go back to people who I follow. So if I click on Joey Faith, this is another PE teacher. He's posted stuff from other people who he follows, and I can also click and see who he follows by clicking on following. Looks like he follows 189 people, and these are the other people that he follows. A lot of them are PE teachers, other education professionals. Looks like some PE associations on here where you can gain more information. So anyway, that's just one way that you can kind of network through Twitter. The ISTE standards that I paired with this one, ISTE T5A says participate in local and global learning communities to explore creative applications of technology to improve student learning. And the TPAC standard that I paired with this is PCK1. PCK2, candidates collaborate with other professionals to identify and design strategies and interventions to ensure student-teacher learning. Anyway, thanks for watching.